Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can find a region in your image that we call it region of interest in your image. Then after finding that region you can, for example, put a logo on there, or you can change that part or modify that part that you like. Okay, let's start with the code. Similar to the previous codes, we have to add some module or libraries: iOS stream, core, high GUI, and here, because here we need a module vector, because we need some vectors in our work, and then some namespace such as CV and STD that we usually use them in our code. Okay, for the main parts of the code, first we have to load the original image of the class of math, imread. You know that with the imread, without any numbers here, for example, such as 0, it means we need the image in color instead of the grayscale by adding 0. And also, for example, we want to add a logo to the Lena image, so we have to load or read another image that we call it logo. That's the logo of ICV group. Okay, similar to the previous one, we can use the imread comment by the class of math into the logo variable. Okay, if we want to show this, you know that we have to make a new windows for original image and for the logo, and with imshow we can show both of them in parallel into windows. For putting a logo inside the image, first we have to specify the place of that logo in your image. By this, we introduced a variable of the class of math. You remember, when you are working with an image, in most of the case you need the math class of the variable, but sometimes maybe you need the other variables such as inf or something else for your work. But if you are working with the image, you have to consider this in your mind, that most of the time we need math class of the variables. Okay, image region of interest. In the image, the original image, we can make a rectangle. For example, we consider a rectangle here of the size of 50 by 100 of the logo columns and logo rows, size of these in the columns and rows. Okay, then we can consider some weighted for this. It means that for example 0.1 for the logo, and excuse me, image of region of interest, and for the logo 0.9, because we want to show the logo on the image. And with this image of region of interest of the image on this variable, we just define a rectangle on the image of the size of 50 by 100. Okay, with this we add the logo to the original image that we have it here. And if we want to show it here, you can easily see that we have to make a new windows and show the new image in the new windows by using imshow. If I run this code, okay, as a result we can see the original image, the logo that we want to put on the image, and here we can put the logo on the image in this area. But maybe sometimes you want to put somewhere else, for example here, here, or anywhere that you like. You just need to play with these numbers. For example, 80 by, excuse me, 130. If we run this code, you can see you shift it a little to the right and down. Also the original image and the logo image that we have here. Also you can put in the any region of the original image that you like, or for example maybe you will find the one region in your image, and instead of putting a logo, you, for example, you want to modify that part, for example blur that part, or add some noises to that region of the image. But here you can easily find a region by specify the details of that region. For example, rectangle, we can define a rectangle, and where we consider this rectangle in the place of 80 by 130. We can put the rectangle on there, and that's it. It's very easy to find a region in your image and playing with that pixels. And now you can easily implement this code and play with your image. That's it for this video. See you on next video. Bye.